Hi, my name's Eliana Maron, and here's 3 pieces of advice I wish I knew before coming on a gap year. Number 1, make sure you're comfortable being independent and self-reliant. No one else is going to look after you except yourself, and everybody's going to be doing their own thing. So you have to make sure you're comfortable going out and doing your own thing, doing your own shopping, your own washing, making friends, and putting yourself out there and going outside your comfort zone. Number 2, make sure you read the program brief thoroughly. I know that I personally skimmed through a lot of information, and a lot of it I just let my parents read, and then I ended up being surprised and unprepared when segments of the program came up that were clearly advertised. And number 3, last but certainly not least, make sure you bring way more pairs of socks and underwear than you think you need. I can't tell you how easy they are to lose and how many pairs I've lost since being here. And those are my 3 pieces of advice. Thanks for watching, and have a great gap year exploration month.